I think what we've done is we've invested in a lot of technology. So, like, one of the things we try to do is anytime there's like a pain point or something like that for us internally, we try to look at it and be like, okay, how can we give the machinist back some time to get things out the door? So, one of the things we did is we really struggled with anodizing for quick turn parts. We had a lot of customers, they needed stuff fast. And every time we'd try to get something out fast to anodizing, it would invariably get delayed. We couldn't control that timeline. So we sent one of our employees to a NADCAP certified training school, and they learned how to anodize there, and we built a small line. And it's something that we plan on expanding in the future, but that's something where the actual cost of sending stuff out to anodizing isn't a huge amount of money for us, especially you look at the cost per part, it's relatively low. But for us, it gives us the ability to serve our customers better, because when they need something and they need it in like a day or two, like that's something we can do where a lot of shops can't. And then the same thing goes for, like, we just brought in a automated cell about I don't know, probably 4 months ago now or something like that. And that's something that, like, when we get into even being a high mix, low volume shop, you'd think, well, you can't really automate that. And so we looked, and one of the cool things that kind of came out on the market was a system that the robot could change end effectors and either grab a pallet or a vise. And for us, when we always looked at those automation systems, we're like, well, we don't do like high volume. So sometimes we need a little tiny vise. Sometimes we need a big pallet based on the kind of part we're doing. And the new system that came out, the robot can go change end effectors. It can either go grab a little tiny vise or it can grab a big pallet, depending on the size. And I think the payload on it is like 900 kilograms. So it's like, for us, that is just another thing that gives us more time. Once we have that first article proofed out, we're going to throw it on the cell and it's going to be able to run overnight. And I don't have to have an operator there. So those are kind of the things that we look at, or where are the areas that we can kind of buy back time, so that our machinists either have more time to get a good part, and that we can also speed things up, getting things to the customer and control those processes.